Hello friends, I am going to teach chapter 10 circle, equal chords and their distances from center. Center means the distance always measure in the perpendicular distance you will take between any two objects, then exact you will get always it is same. So here equal chords theorem 10.6, equal chords are equal distance from the center. So what is given? In this you will get the given in COR, chord AB is equal to CD, OM perpendicular to AB, ON perpendicular to CD. To prove OM is equal to OM, one figure we will draw. There is a two chord AB and one chord is CD. Here is the center. This is perpendicular given and this is perpendicular given. OM and ON is the perpendicular on this from center. You want to prove OM is equal to always perpendicular. Chords which are equal, they are equidistant from the center. So that we will prove construction. In the construction we will write join OA and OB, OC, join OA, only one is of this, one point of this and one point of this, you join, it is a construction. So proof, what will you get the proof? In triangle OAM and triangle OCN, OA is equal to OCY, radius of the same circle. COR means circle of center O, radius R. Same thing in the congruent circle also. OM perpendicular, that's why angle OMA is equal to angle ONC is equal to 90 degree because perpendicular given. These are perpendiculars. Because AB is equal to CD, so first part, second part, two parts is over, one part you more want, which is AM equal to CM. So perpendicular, here half of AB will be also, it is given, half of AB is equal to also half of CD, or you can write AM is equal to CN. Why? Because perpendicular from center, in the previous lecture I have told you, bisect the chord. Bisect the chord. Perpendicular from center, bisect the chord. So OM is perpendicular to OB, ON is perpendicular to CD, AB equal to CD, so half of AB will be half of CD. Therefore there is a 3, first, second and this is the third one. 1, 2, 3 you take. So by right angle hypotenuse side, by RHS congruency, what are you getting? Triangle OMA congruent to triangle ONC. So OM is equal to ON. OM is equal to ON by CP. Hence proved. You want to prove this. So hence proved. Perpendicular from center bisect the chord, that is previous theorem you have applied. So chords are equal, then they have equal distance. Equal chords and equal distance from the center. Just converse of it, theorem number 10.7. Just converse of this theorem 10.7 is given. What is given 10.7? In 10.7 it is given chords equidistant from the center of a circle are equal in length. Just converse of it. Chord equidistant from the center, OM is equal to ON given. This is everything is given. Perpendicular such that here it is not given. AB and CD chords. What will you get? It is theorem 10.7. Chords which are equal distance from the centers are also equal. Chords at equal distance means OM is equal to ON. It is given. What you want to prove? You want to prove chords are equal. You want to prove AB is equal to CD. Just converse theorem. What is the converse theorem? If the distance is equal, then the chords are equal. If the chords are equal, then their distance from the center will be also equal. So distance, here chords are equal given in the previous one. Then you want to prove OM equal to ON. Here OM and ON are equal given. You want to prove chords are equal. Construction will be same. Join OA and OC. Triangle will be same. But here OA equal to OC, it is same. Angle is also same because it is 90 degree. Distance means 90. But what is not given? Here this part will be not there. How will you do this? Here there is no problem. AB equal to CD. You want to prove join in triangle, you will take OA equal to OC given. Angle is 90 because perpendicular is given. So here you write OM is equal to ON. It is also given. Directly you are getting right angle hypotenuse side. It is a hypotenuse, it is right angle, it is side by RHS. Again, triangle OAM congruent to triangle OCN. Then AM is equal to CN. It is by CPCT, but it is not over here. AM is equal to CM. R twice of AM is also equal to twice of CN. Twice of AM equal to twice of CN. R you can write AB is equal to CD. AB is equal to CD. That you will get perpendicular from center bisect the chord. Center bisect the chord. Perpendicular from center bisect the chord. That you are seeing, and hence proved. Hence proved. You will say that it is hence proved perpendicular from center bisect the chord. Perpendicular from center bisect the chord. Okay, you are getting perpendicular from center. There is a one theorem also given. One example is given, example number 2, which is given. Example number 2. If two intersecting chords of a circle make equal angle with the diameter. Example is given. Two intersecting chords of a circle, equal chords. Two intersecting chords makes equal angle with the diameter passing through their point of intersection, then prove that chords are equal. Here it is given, example number 2 of this chapter. Two intersecting chords which have AB and CD. Ruk jao bhai. AB and CD, here it is given intersecting point is P. So center is given this. You want to prove two diameter. Diameter is given this. It is a diameter. What is given? Example 2. It is given center, and this you are getting center AB. What is given? Example 2. Given in COR, AB and CD intersect at P. There, and MN is diameter. MN diameter passing through P such that angle OPA is equal to angle OPC. It is given. These two angles make equal angle. To prove AB is equal to CD. You want to prove the chords are equal. Construction. Draw OP is already given. MN is you have taken. OQ and perpendicular to AB and OR perpendicular to CD. You will draw a construction. OP perpendicular to this and OR perpendicular to this. It is a construction. Proof. In triangle OQ, here OQ is given. In triangle OPQ and triangle OPR, OP is equal to OPY, common. Angle OQP is equal to angle ORP is equal to 90 degree, because by construction you have taken the perpendicular. Angle OPQ is equal to angle OPR. It is given in the question. What is given? Diameter makes equal angle with the chords. Diameter makes equal angle. It is a diameter. Diameter makes equal angle with the chord. These two angles are given equal. It is 90 degree and one common side. So by angle side congruency, triangle OPQ congruent to triangle OPR. So OQ is equal to OR by CPCT. Hence, if the distance are therefore AB is equal to CD. Chords, converse theorem, chords at equal distance are equal. Equal distance are equal. So, you are getting hence proved. Chords at equal distance are equal. That's why AB is equal to CD you proved. So, that's all for today. And we'll explain the exercise in the next lecture. Thanks.